Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is offering you Diploma in Software Project Management. A Diploma in Software Project Management is a specialized program designed to equip individuals with the skills and knowledge necessary to effectively manage software development projects. This diploma typically covers various aspects of project management within the context of software development. Diploma in Software Project Management benefits. A diploma in software project management offers numerous benefits: specialized skill set, career advancement, effective project delivery, improved leadership, adaptability to industry standards, increased employability, networking opportunities, problem-solving skills, customer satisfaction, global opportunities. Diploma in Software Project Management Employment. A diploma in software project management can lead to various employment opportunities across different sectors within the software development industry. Here are some potential roles: project manager, software development manager, product manager, agile coach, scrum master, quality assurance manager, business analyst, consultant, technical project coordinator, IT manager, entrepreneurship. Admission open. For registration, call us on 92321-505-6755 or WhatsApp us on 92331-5999937. Visit our website www.iitpakistan.com.pk or mail us at info@iitpakistan.com.pk. Make sure to subscribe us on YouTube and follow our Facebook page for more details about other qualifications.